Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video, I'm going to talk about child theme. You may have heard the term child theme, WordPress child theme, and a lot of times you may wonder what the heck is child theme. So, in this video, I'll just remove the confusion you have about child theme. So suppose you have a theme that you want to let's say add some functionality, and once you do some random custom coding, you are good to go, and now you are happily using the theme. But once the theme developer makes an update and you update the theme, you eventually lose all the functionality that you just made custom for you. So then you are out of your mind and thinking what to do. So there was a WordPress did not have a solution for this for a long time. But after a long time, WordPress have introduced something, and it is called child theme. So child theme is basically a theme that inherits all the functionality. Here it says it has all the functionality of the parent theme, and as a bonus, it has some additional stuff as well. So the very stuff you are going to write for the theme. Okay. So the moment an update release for the parent theme, you can update your child theme as well. It won't affect the child theme and you won't lose the code. So you can read this article by wpbeginner.com, then beginners guide WordPress child theme pros cons. So here they have discussed a lot about child theme. So basically what you have to do is you have to have a very good parent theme, and you need to modify that. So some advantages of using a WordPress child theme is safe updates. So this is something that I have already mentioned. Whether there's a new update or not, you don't have to worry updating it, because it doesn't affect your child theme, and you are good to go. And this is very easy to extend. A child theme built on a powerful theme framework allows a great deal of flexibility without writing a lot of code. So you can actually extend the theme very much. And there's a fallback safe. So suppose something bad happens, and some functions not working for your theme, but you will always have the fallback functions in the parent theme. So parent themes functionality damn it, parent themes functionality available as the fallback option. So you don't have to worry about that. So there are some disadvantages of using a child theme. The very first disadvantage of using child themes is the time. So first time you are making a child theme, you won't know much about the parent theme. So there's a learning curve. You have to make couple of themes to get everything sorted, and once you're good to go and you have all the knowledge, then you won't have any problem. And so the next thing is another disadvantage often pointed out is that your parent themes developers may lose interest and abandon it. So they can maybe drop a feature that you were using in your child theme. So it doesn't sound that bad, because the thing is WordPress is themes are open source and GPL, and basically you can do that work for yourself as well, or some other developer will continue with that project, so you don't have to worry about that. So the conclusion is, before making a child theme, do make sure that you know everything, uh, every basic thing that is required to create a child theme in of any WordPress theme. That is fun, right? So yeah, you may go through this article as well. This is by WP Beginner. It's an old article. It's published almost 6 years ago. So, but it's still relevant. Nothing's changed yet. So yeah. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.